little bit bigger now. Or a song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does is just tear me down. Breaks my heart a little when I hear your name. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong. Oh, I know I'm probably much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes, but I just want you to know, I hope he buys you flowers, I hope he holds your hands, give you all his hours when he has a chance. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Elaine. Offniel, me feel sorry for you, oh God. The man take your woman. And I serve you right for you should have treated her good way you did. Avar, very good performance. I thought you connected much better than you did last week. You sounded good. You obviously never had the time to buy a shirt tonight, so you just throw on a jacket and show a little bit of skin because Offniel says, you know, I'm bringing it all the way. But good performance, I believed you. Good job.
Anthony.
Early days yet, there are no front runners in this competition. I find that a little odd. I'm trying to say, well, who is the person who is likely to take it? But I think we got the power performance of the night thus far. I think you have a really good voice. You just have to overcome that inherent dullness about you. But you did better than last week. And I liked how you sounded tonight.
All right, Conroy.
Well, any side of the bed Anthony sleep on last, you can better sleep on it this way because him saying some pure good things this week. Offniel, very good. Really, really, really good. Your performance and your energy and your vocals are nice. There's still something about you that needs to reach out to us in terms of your connection, but you're good, actually.
All right, thanks, judges.